Hello everyone, this is Jia. Today we're going to make something special. You might have heard about bulgogi and kimbap. Today we're going to make bulgogi kimbap. It is pretty delicious, and since it can be served in a room temperature, this dish is a perfect menu for casual parties. Let's get started. We're going to start from cooking the rice. I have 1.5 cup of rice. We're gonna rinse it under cold water 2 to 3 times, 1.5 cup of water, and then today we're going to use rice cooker. Let's cook it then. While rice is cooking, we want to prepare the stuffings from now. Let's start from garlic. I'm using 200 grams of sirloin, the beef. They're thinly sliced. We want to cut them into strips. Okay. Let's move on this to the tray and add minced garlic to it. We want to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. This is half tablespoon of sugar. Garlic is already in here, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine and some black pepper and a few drops of sesame oil, about half teaspoon. Done. Just massage them so that all the sauce goes evenly coats the beef. We're going to put this aside for 30 minutes. Next is red cabbage. The cabbages needs to be finely julienne. You may use shredder. Traditionally, in Korea, we normally use 단무지, which is a pickled radish, but today, let's quickly pickle the red cabbage. So the cabbages are done, and we wanna make sauce, vinegar sauce for this one. Let's combine. This is rice vinegar, 7 tablespoons. I have sugar, 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of salt, and mix well until the sugar and salt dissolves. You may use any clear vinegar like apple cider if you cannot get rice vinegar. Don't buy it. We're just using only a few spoons of it. I love this crunchy sweet and sour pickle. It also gives a nice color to kimbap. So leave the pickle for about 20 minutes. Next is cucumber. Cut the cucumber diagonally and finely julienne. Okay. Let me show you. If you cut the cucumber this way, this is the length size. If you cut in diagonally, and you see, this is too short. So try to cut them diagonally. It's because we want this length. All is prepared now. The cabbage has been pickled for about 20 minutes, so I want to drain all the liquid. wanna stir fry cucumber and bulgogi. So in a medium heat, drizzle about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Coat the pan, and we're going to stir fry the cucumbers. To stir fry the cucumbers, it gets crunchier and it brings a very vibrant, nice color. So stir fry for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Okay, now we need to quickly cool down it. Spread so that it quickly cools down. Next is bulgogi. We marinated the beef, and you don't need any oil. Using the same pan, directly add all marinated beef to it. Spread the meat, otherwise it's gonna turn like a meatball. When the beef turns brown, it's almost ready. Turn off the heat. Same, we want to cool down bulgogi. All is done. The only thing that we need to do before rolling kimbap is seasoning the rice. Generously season with salt and add about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 to 2, depending on your taste. And mix it. It's time to roll our kimbap. Before starting, you need to prepare roasted kim, dried seaweed for kimbap. This is a bamboo sheet. Put this in a vertical side. And for the kimbap, I'm going to use about 1/2 to 2/3 cup of rice. Put this in the middle. And make sure your fingertips is wet with water. Carefully, gently spread the rice. Leave a space about 3 centimeters above the kimbap, and below try to fill it up. I'm going to put first bulgogi, and pickles. Before rolling, I want to put the lettuce on the top. Okay. Lift from one side. Make sure it goes to the other side. Press it down, the end part. If you have a bamboo sheet, you roll your kimbap with bamboo sheet, give it a firm squeeze, and then it's going to be hold. The first kimbap is finished. Put this aside. Let's make a second one. Again, vertical, and then we want to spread apart the rice and make it as thin as possible. Okay, the rice is done. Again, I'm going to start from bulgogi. Before adding lettuce on the top of kimbap, we're going to add some mayonnaise to our kimbap. So one side is ideal to touch the other side of the rice. Strongly roll it, push it, press it down. This is so much fun. Looks delicious. I hope you enjoy my bulgogi kimbap recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.